Is it visible?
Yes, Sushma. Now open any tab, new tab, open the Google Cloud. Yeah, Google Cloud Console. Type there Google Cloud Console.
The first link one.
Yes, yes. Go go to this console. Do you see on the left top near your profile? Yeah, correct.
So can you you can assure me that my account is has been properly created, or
Yeah, just 1 minute. Let me check that only. Um, yeah, it's created. Because otherwise
okay,
you
sir.
might have got option. Okay, did you check the mail? Have you checked the mail on this mail ID that you have created an account? Just click on the mail once.
Okay,
Click on the
yeah,
mail.
one sec.
Yeah, open in
One
another
sec.
tab.
Yes, yes, okay.
Yeah, see this urgent your billing account. Okay, urgent you receive the email because your Google Cloud platform, we have some notice some activity on billing account that has prompted us to temporarily suspend the account. Okay, you click on the previous one. I think might be your card is not valid or doesn't having any amount, so action
Okay,
verify your payment, you click on that.
actually,
we
that this one had a issue, sir.
Okay, we were not
In
able to approve your sign up to the. Okay, okay, just let's try. I think you have not created an account. Okay, just go to that console. Let's see once whether it is opening or what. Sometime your account is created but is not open. You click on this console. Do you see this icon before bell sign on left side? No, not on the bell. On the left side first one. Left on. No, no, not there. Just beside the search bar, question mark symbol. Do you see question mark one?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that below,
This is
beside one you click. Beside one,
actually
yeah.
this is to my right. Okay.
Beside one you click. Yes, yeah. Click on this continue. You click on this hide. This it's occupying. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Now here you type this command that I am sending you on the chat.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Sushma, please check. I send you two commands. So first one you try first one, not this one. First you have to authorize yourself. Then you can try it. Go to that GCP console. Yeah, paste it there. Paste it. Control V. Yeah,
Yes, I have done it.
yeah. Now click on this link.
This one,
Yes,
sir.
yeah, correct. Yeah. Now click on the mail ID. Yes, correct. Now scroll down. Allow. Now you have authorized yourself for this. Now you copy it. This is just like an OTP, a verification code. Now you paste it on that. Yeah, correct. Paste it there. Enter. Yes. Now you type the another command. I'm saying you gcloud. Type gcloud space projects projects List space, give a space and write. Yeah, now press enter. Click on authorize. See this. So this much first project you have created it. I think you tried multiple time creating this first project.
Okay, sir. Yes.
So this is very easy to run the command also here. I will going to explain you uh,
Okay, sir.
that how this Linux command and all work. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you,
Yes, sir.
thank you, Susma. You can stop sharing now.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir.
So I hope it is clear to everyone regarding the cloud services that we have seen, and the different kind of commands that I've shown you. So always remember, this command will be helpful when you will like work in the any company. One more thing, I will suggest you go for the certification from the Google Cloud. Okay, this certification amount is somewhat high, but if you certified it, you can easily get a job on the based on this certification. So this Google Cloud certification basic level you can go for. It is something around 10,000 something. Exam fee is there. Only you have to give exam. You can prepare from any of the online materials, YouTube, from my videos. Go for Google Cloud certification. You can search for first basic certification, that is called associate certification. This is the first certificate. Let me show you where. Yeah, this one, associate cloud engineer. uh, if you are comfortable, you can go for this certification. This certification means here they will not going to teach you anything. This is just you have to register and you have to give exam online at your home, or you can give from center. But the content that they will ask from the things that I have covering about storage, about the cloud command, if you clear this, you will definitely eligible to get a job in the good companies. Means company want a certified person. So if you are even if you clear this Azure cloud engineer or AWS certification, Microsoft Azure, Oracle cloud, any of the cloud, you are eligible to become a cloud engineer. So I will suggest you, I know that the amount is somewhat big here. Certification cost is something $125, which is around 10,000 something, but it is having value. Okay, so I will suggest you see this. $125 is an amount. Exam is for 2 hour, or multiple choice questions are there. You can try for this. You can either give it from your home also, this test, or you can go from testing center. Once you clear this certification, you can apply in a good company. You can add it on your resume, so your chances will be high as compared to other who are not certified. So certified means just a guarantee that you have done work on the cloud services and you are eligible to work as a cloud engineer. So always certification from the Google Cloud having lot of values. Even I also have done this, and I also done from Microsoft also. So I will suggest you from my experience level, go for this certification. Once your exam is over, once your semester exam is over, prepare it from the YouTube, from my videos. I will going to upload it in a YouTube also, or some other resources. You follow it and give an exam. Exam is easy, only MCQ based. Around 50 question they will going to ask, and you have to score more than 70%. You will clear it. So I hope it is clear to you. Any question, any one of you? Anyone having any question? So tomorrow you want tomorrow shall we do class or you want leave? I think tomorrow we have a festival, so you want to attend the class tomorrow or you all want leave? So based on that I will take class.
So we won't leave.